answer this one. What set of numbers make up the range of the linear function y equals 3x minus 4 if the domain is 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, so first, kopyahin muna natin yung ating equation. 3x, y equals 3x minus 4. Then, yung first domain is positive 1. So, y equals 3 times 1. Substitute natin yung x minus 4. So, y equals 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4. So, y is equal to negative 1. Yung second domain na 2. So, y equals 3 times 2 minus 4. So, y equals 6 minus 4. So, y is equal to positive 2. Next domain is 3. So, y equals 3 times 3 minus 4. Is equals 9 minus 4. So, y is equal to 5. Last domain is 4. Y equals 3 times 4 minus 4. So, equals 12 minus 4. So, y equals positive 8. So, therefore, yung range natin is negative 1, positive 2, positive 5, and positive 8. So, sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.